What's going on, guys? I'm Arup. Today I am talking about create table in Power BI. Before that, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my upcoming new videos. Open a blank report, enter data, and you can edit the heading. You can insert row or plus. Insert you can delete also. You can insert column also, or you can delete any column. You can delete the data and copy paste any table from Excel. Now you can insert any table from Excel to Power BI. Click enter data. Copy the table of the Excel and paste it into Power BI create table. and just cross it. Now you can load the table. In data section, you will see the table, and by serial you can insert column of the table. Before that, you need to select the visualizations table, then insert serial number, then structure, then target date and project achievement progress. Go to column, sum serial number, and select don't summarize. Progress achieve also, go for don't summarize. In this way, you can create table and insert table in Power BI.